Hi Tao, your task today is to describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, what is the object that you're going to talk about?
A set of teacups and teapots.
Okay, how did it break?
I don't know, but it's broken completely.
Okay, how did you get it repaired?
I got a new set.
And how did you feel about it?
I feel nothing about it.
Okay, you finished the exam. Maybe it's better that you retake with a better approach. Excuse me, do you need me to repeat the question?
What did you ask me?
Let me introduce myself first. I'm Thomas, your examiner for today. I want to present to you a topic that requires you to describe something that was broken in your home and then fixed. For the first point, what is it? You should indicate the item that you wish to talk about. You can allude to it directly or indirectly, depending on your approach. For the other points, you should explain clearly how you repaired it and how you felt after that. Alright, here's a speaking sample test that's related to this topic. Hi Tao, can you describe something that was broken in your home for me?
Well, these days many modern appliances are actualized in almost every household. But occasionally, some of them may break and become unusable. So recently, our microwave has stopped working for no reason at all. And when I was heating some eggs for my breakfast, it suddenly went off. And I thought it may blown a fuse because I was using other electronic devices at the same time. So I cut off the power to the other appliances. But this still didn't resolve the problem. So my parents decided to have an electrician to come and fix it. So after checking all the electrical components inside it, he concluded that the heating system of that microwave was faulty from continuous use. So he told us that it would take 2 to 3 days to replace the system. And all my family's cooking activities had to change. Primarily, we ended up using the gas stove, which in my opinion wastes a lot more time compared to the convenience of the microwave. After a couple of inconvenient days, finally the electrician returned to replace the faulty component, and he gave us some good advice to make sure that the equipment retained its functionality.
Thank you very much, Tao. That was a great answer. I hope that you found this session useful in preparing you for your IELTS speaking test. If you'd like to sign up for IELTS courses here at LangGo, please click on the link below. Our courses are designed with you in mind to provide personalised learning pathways and to give you the best possible outcome. Once again, I've been Thomas, and thank you for joining us today. Goodbye.